Hi beauties, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing very well. To my new subscriber, thank you for coming, and to my OG, I appreciate you guys for your support. And today's video is all about cooking day, lasagna. For my last vlog, I cook, so I was not able to film it together because it was too long. So I decided to film it separately, as I said on my last video. So I guess you guys are doing very well. Everyone is doing perfectly okay. So today's video is all about lasagna. Yeah. So I will show you guys what I will be using. So these are the ingredients I need for the preparation of lasagna. So this is mozzarella, that is onions, and that is cheese for lasagna. So with lasagna pasta, I don't know how flat pasta, tomato, and the tin tomatoes, and this cream I make it myself. You can also do buy it. So I just make it myself. I did not show it with this blended flesh I'll be using. And so after I add oil to my pan, so I add the meat. You have to let it to cook, or you have to turn it, stir it here and there, let it get brown. So cover it for some minutes. So you stir it again, more stirring. You have to get a little bit brown. Add salt, onions. I love onions, so that is why I always use a lot of onions in my cooking. So add the tin tomatoes. This one is the red. The red is very thick, so this is the red one, like the one they have in Nigeria. They call it tin tomatoes. So I'll be adding this tin paste tomatoes. I'd use water to rinse the remaining one. You cannot throw away the water. Cannot throw it away just like that. So you just continue stirring. Everything is okay. And now add my tomatoes, paste tomatoes. So that is what I'm adding to it now. So continue add my Maggi, rosemary, curry, and other things. So yeah, pour everything inside. Garlic, also with garlic, ginger powder. So I cover it for some time. And I always love, when I'm cooking, I always love everywhere to be clean. I don't want everywhere to be messed with anything. I don't want anywhere to be messed when I'm cooking. So I clean up everywhere, wash the dish and all, you know. Yeah, it's already cooked, so it's time for the lasagna to start that is the main lasagna. So the first time I have to put some sauce. Yes, on top of it, first in the down of the pot. I don't know what to call it. Is it pot to not pot, pan? I don't know. Baking. So I just put it. Put cheese. Before I put the flat pasta, lasagna pasta. So that is only thing I can call it, lasagna pasta. So I put the sauce for the first layer. So add sauce, and the sauce need to cover the pasta. So the sauce have to cover everywhere, cover it. It's step by step. So that is it. So we continue. So now I add my cream, the cream I made myself. So I made this cream with flour, butter, and milk. So that is how I make it. So I'm adding mozzarella cheese. So it's different cheese. Now I'm adding cheese, which is lasagna cheese. So everything is cheese is. So this is the second layer, no. That is how we'll be doing it and continue doing it till everything is okay. The sauce is over. So yeah, so sorry, I have a cough, I catch cold, I've been sick for over a week plus now. Fever, cough, and runny nose. So yeah, just manage the voice. Good. I add sauce on top of it again. So that is how I'll be doing it till the sauce is finished. So where the sauce end, that is where everything end. So without sauce, you cannot make the lasagna. So that is it. So continue watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up as you're watching. Share with friends. Leave a comment. You know, share in your community platform also. Support your girl. Subscribe for more. Okay. Thank you for watching. So after that, I have to cover it with foil paper. You add water to it also. I add water, little water by the side, just to make it to cook. So which I did not show it. So you need to put water by the side. So I send it back to oven. So the oven will do the finished work. I leave it for 15 minutes. So I will go back again and check, before I will check if it's soft enough, cook before I can remove it. So yeah, everything is cooked, is not soft to eat. So that is it. So it's not to take a taste of it. No, when you cook, you have to taste it. You have to know how delicious it is. I do this once in a while, not always, because no, I'm trying to control my fat, no, because this food like this. So I do it once in a while, not always, maybe once in 2 weeks. So that is how I prepare something like this, not all the time. So time to taste, to see the delicious, to see how delicious it is. Yeah, that is it. It looks so yummy. You guys need to try it. You guys need to try it. It's very good. Children love to eat something like this. Though my daughter don't eat, she selects a lot. That is it. So she eats other things. She eats what she wants. So not what we cook. So see you guys on my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, on the notification bell, share with friends, loved ones, tell a friend to tell a friend. See you guys on my next video. Juicy, bye.